Hi, I'm Jessie, a licensed registered nurse, and I'm here to give you some tips to help stay healthy during the holidays. Now, the holiday season is a very popular time for colds and flu. A lot of people think that's because of the cold weather or the snow and rain, but actually it's because you get a lot of people together, a lot of friends and family in small spaces, and that's how germs get spread. So the number one way, as every registered nurse knows, to keep from getting the cold or the flu is to wash your hands. Now, most people don't wash their hands properly. I see people all the time in mall bathrooms washing their hands for about 2 seconds, not even getting a good amount of soap, and they walk out. That's not going to kill the cold or flu virus that may be living on your hands. So the proper way to wash your hands is good warm water, some soap, and a 20-second lather. When you wash your hands, you want to make sure you wash the front, backs, and in-betweens of the fingers. And also for you ladies with long fingernails, you want to get underneath your fingernails because that's a popular place for germs to spread and get up in there. So when you're washing your hands, get a good lather going. A trick that we use at the hospital is to say the ABCs or the happy birthday song. So you're washing your hands, you can be saying that in your head or out loud, and then you make sure that you've washed your hands for the proper amount of time. You then want to take a clean, dry towel and dry from tip to wrist on both hands. You're basically drying from clean to dirty, as we call it. Now, if you're in one of those bathrooms at a holiday party that you can tell everyone's been using the towel, another way to clean your hands is to use the antibacterial hand gel. Now, that actually can be more effective than hand washing, provided that your hands aren't soiled. If you've gotten something on your hands that needs to be washed up, you need to use soap and water. But if you're just wanting to get rid of the germs, that antibacterial hand sanitizer is perfect. Just make sure, again, you get it on the fronts and backs and in-betweens of your fingers. It's very effective in killing the flu and cold virus. So again, I'm Jessie, licensed registered nurse. For more information and videos, go to mahalo.com, or if you'd like to ask a question of a nurse, you can email us at requests@mahalo.com.
This video was for educational purposes only and was not intended to be a substitute for medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you think you have a medical emergency, please call your doctor or dial 911 immediately.